guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you is another Christmas DIY. I've been wanting to make me a bulb Christmas wreath, so that's what I'm going to be doing. They have them in the stores, but I couldn't find any in my color scheme, so I decided I would just make one. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. I have a wire wreath form that is 18 inches. And I'm pretty sure I bought this, I don't know where I bought this actually. I think I bought it at Walmart, I'm not positive. And it doesn't have a price on it. Then you're gonna need some bulbs of your choice in your colors, okay? And I bought 2 packs of these. They were $4.98. And they just have different colors and different, like this has ribbing on it, that's plain. This is a little bit of a shape to it. Some have glitter. They're just really cute. So I bought 2 packs of these. And then I bought 1 pack of these that were $9.48. And they just have different colors, once again, of the blues. I'm really not gonna use this dark blue because it looks too purple for me. But that, and then I like to incorporate silver, so I bought a package of silver that were $9.48 as well from Walmart. And these just have all the different shapes and some glitter, okay? And then for the smaller ones, I was in Michael's and I saw these, and I love this. You actually get 100 bulbs in here, so I know I'll have plenty left over. But they're all in those same colors that I love. And I think they're really gonna be pretty. And these were $20, but I think they may have been on sale, but I'm not 100% sure about that, okay? And then you'll need a glue gun, and that's it. This is gonna be so simple. So let me get everything ready and then I'll be right back. Okay, what I've decided is this is pretty much how I think I want it. I'm gonna do 1 silver and 3 blues and alternate that all the way around until you get up here. Then it gets off just a little bit, but it's not gonna matter. Then it goes to 4 blues and a silver, but that'll be fine. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna attach this to this first inner rim. Well, actually, no. I'm going to attach it to the second inner rim right in here. But first, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue around this so it will hold my bulb in really well. You could take these off, but mine were secured so nicely, I was like, well, I don't think I'm going to do that. So then all you have to do is just take that, put that right there, and hold it on that second one. And now that's secured. Then we're just gonna rotate and work around, and I'll let you watch me do a couple. This is so easy. It's really gonna be simple. It's gonna be a really quick, simple little DIY, but it's gonna give us a really nice look. Just make sure you're going up here to the second one. You can do this with this wire type of wreath, or you can use just a floral foam wreath, and that would work as well. Okay, and we're just going to keep going around like this, so I know you know what I'm doing. So for time purposes, what I'm going to do is go ahead and hop off of here till I get to the second row. I'm going to do the inside row and then the outside row, and then I'll be back. Okay, and just keep going around. Let's see, what color do I want next? I think I want maybe this one. So for time purposes, I know you know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna go all the way around, and when I start filling in, then I'll be back. Okay, so all you have to do is just start sticking your bulbs in there wherever you think you want it. And make sure you put in the glue where it's gonna stick. And we'll have tons of these little glue webs that we're gonna need to remove later. Okay, and then we'll just keep filling in between, however we think we want it. And wherever it's going to touch another bulb, you definitely want to put something. I just don't like those dark. Okay, and then I think I'll put something right here. You're gonna need a lot of glue, I've noticed that. Okay. All right, now I think I'll put this right down through here. Just put a big one right there. Okay, I decided to put down some parchment paper because it was going through under my counter and I didn't want that. So I'm going to just keep putting little balls on here where I think I want them. But I think this is looking so pretty and festive. I really do like it. Okay, and then we'll put this one right here. This way you can get exactly what you want and get this, like how many silver balls you want compared to the blue balls. I just really like it. And it really is easy. And you can make a very pretty display. I'm going to put this one right here. But for time purposes, I'm going to go ahead and go off camera until I get it totally completed, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, here it is. It really turned out beautiful, as you can see. It just looks so cold and festive. I got a little crazy on this end. I just kept going. I may turn it up and make it the top. That may be what I do. I may just turn it like that and make that the top and put a bow. But it is so pretty. I love how it turned out. It really is pretty. You will use a lot of hot glue. And I didn't use all my bulbs, but I used a lot of the smaller ones. I still have some left over, but you're gonna need a lot of bulbs if you wanna do this. I would recommend doing it on something like this next time instead of this wire wreath form, because it doesn't give the bulbs much stability. If you want to stand it up, you're standing it up actually on the bulb ends, which I don't think is very good for it. But I love how that turned out. I think it is so pretty. You can really make a pretty wreath. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.